Hi, my name is Victor Tiffany. I'm the co-founder of Revolt Against Plutocracy. This is a tutorial showing leverage activists how to create a form that you use to sign people up, voters pledge to support only CFAR candidates or Green Party candidates. That's the CFAR or Green in 2018 campaign. This has to be done at the congressional district level, and so everyone's going to have to figure out how to or learn how to set up a form that people can sign up and then link to it on their website. So this is a tutorial that shows them how to hopefully get all of that done. So I'm going to turn on screen share, and that's going to produce, I believe, a mirror-on-mirror effect momentarily until I get flipped over to my browser. All right. So there's a browser, and I want my Google Drive. So now you see this. This is Drive Google. Just if you're logged in, you have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, then you want to create one. And I'll put this link in the bottom because if you have a Google account and then you put this in, this URL, it will go to your Google Drive. All right, so that's basically right here. And there's some recent documents I've been working on. And what I want to do, what you're going to want to do to create a new form is to click New, do More, and you want Google Forms. So here's your basic form you're going to set up. So it's an untitled form. You're going to call it Pledged to Support CFAR or Green 18, and then you go to your question, click on that, and it's highlighted, so you're just going to go first name. You obviously have a short answer option, which is what you want. And then the next one is last name, short answer. You go for another question, and we shift down a little bit here. Email address. One thing you can do, there's your short answer, is click on required here, because you need to get a hold of these people. They might be sources for fundraising if you form a PAC in order to undertake this attempt to help a progressive candidate get elected to Congress, or you can use email strategies, but you obviously need their email address. These are people in your congressional district that will help you elect the CFAR candidate for Congress. You can also come back up here and make the first name required, and same with the last name. All right, so that's that. Now, email address, you already know their state and congressional district, but it might be useful for you to make sure you know, they know what congressional district we're referring to. Hopefully they're in your congressional district. So how about let's put state of voter registration. That's a short answer. And we are going to make that a required answer, and one more, congressional district. This will tell you that, in fact, you've got people in your congressional district taking the CFAR or Green Pledge. And that's that. So I'm not going to send it, not going to save it. It should be back here on the drive. Pledge to write in, that's not the one. Copy of it. This week. So where is this new one? You're going to click on, this is the one for our website. This is not the one we're after. Where is the one we just created? Access. Recent. Access. There we go. So this is the form you're going to use to sign people up. I believe that's all we need to do. There's the form, the actual form that people we use to sign in information. I'm actually going to do this so I can start creating a database. And I'm in New York, and my district is 23. So there's, before I hit the submit, I'm going to just highlight that in case it changes when I submit it. And it did. Form response, which I don't want. So now I have the form, which I generated from this preview tab up here. And I've got my voter information in it. So now we want to go over here. Let's get rid of this and this so I can see what's going on. And we want to go to a website. This is our blog, our website that Revolt Against Plutocracy based the Bernie or Bust movement from. And we had people signing up. Make a pledge today. So this is just a website, or this is WordPress based. So you might use Blogger, you can use other things. I'm just going to show you basically using WordPress how to create a form to sign. This would be much more elaborate. So this is just a basic tutorial showing people, showing you how to do this. So make a pledge today by signing up here. And so here is going to be a hot link for the view form that we just made, the form that we just made. And I like to put them into a new tab, so I do that. And then one more thing we can do while we're here on this page, which is to make this a little more obvious. I'm going to add media. It's going to be this pledge form. We're going to put it on the right-hand side. We'll start at full size and put this into the post. Now, we're going to edit this, and we're going to link to the view form again, so they can click on this pledge symbol that's on the form, update that, and this will be a link to the form. So they can click here and they can click there. Make it by signing here, or click on the pledge symbol. That. All right, now if you preview this, we should be able to see how these hot links work that we set up. People get on your website or your blog to pledge themselves to vote for a CFAR candidate or a Green Party candidate. You're going to click here, and that brings up the form that they can use to sign up, or they can click here, which brings up the form they can use to sign up. So that's how you flip. That's how you get, there's statistics for our website. That's how you get a pledge form embedded into your website or blog or whatever you use to get people to sign up for doing this. And that's basically it. Pretty simple. Just a simple procedure to do that. I'm going to turn on share screen again one more time because I forgot something. And I want to show you one more thing about this. All right, we're back here. Let's get back on the drive. Let's see here. My drive. Why am I not seeing? I opened today. I want the green copies, recent. You should be able to click on a green copy and find, this is typically the spreadsheet. This is what you click on this, and you'll see this is not the one we just created. These are other ones, but that's how you'll see the people who have signed your pledge form. I don't know why it's not coming in here. This is a pledge to write in, which is old, but I can't find the green form, and that's not it. To get signed up for this, to view the spreadsheet. But that spreadsheet will be available, and we'll create other tutorials that will show you how to access the spreadsheet, share the spreadsheet with other activists in your local congressional district committee or group, ad hoc group, whatever you want to call yourselves. We'll probably make this clear at some point that you can be a RAP affiliate, or you can just call yourself CFAR or Green 2016, and then your congressional district number. It's up to you how you yourselves locally. But I just wanted to show you how to set up that that sign-up form, which then creates a spreadsheet for you to access those email addresses. We'll be back with more information. Thanks for paying attention.